Welcome, train friends. It's Baltimore and Ohio night at Dave's, and I made a quick grab of some Marx trains that are all lettered for the B&O, and it's really amazing how much of an influence the Baltimore and Ohio Railroad had on what Marx produced clear back before the war. And maybe it's not a surprise because the B&O was in the most populated area of the United States and America's first railroad, beginning in 1830. You can see on these little 6-inch gondolas, the logo says linking 13 great states with the nation, and it's got a picture of the Capitol. B&O is certainly a popular railroad, and no wonder with the Royal Blue and the Capital Limited and the National Limited and the Sentinel Service, very popular. When I think of Marx and B&O, my go-to is the AA units, number 62. Just love the blue color. This is the dummy unit, and here's the powered unit. It's lighted, runs both directions. The cabooses that came with these sets, I believe there's 10 or 11 of them, all different numbers. Like for instance, this is a C517, this is a C506. They both have the tilt couplers, scale trucks, but they also came with a four-wheel version. There's another C517. A harder to find caboose is the plastic blue caboose, which came both four-wheel and scale. You don't see those very often. And again, I tend to forget about these little 6-inch gondolas. They're quite common. Not worth a lot, but they're fun to run. And take a look at these great 6-inch cars. B&O came in the dark blue, a number of shades of red, and my favorite, the orange and yellow. This one has one-way couplers, 8-wheel car, another 4-wheel car, yellow. And back to the scale, the B&O gondola, there's tons of those out there. Gray, couple different truck varieties. This one has the cardboard tiles. Then last in this collection is a number of plastic boxcars, and they came most frequently in the blues, light blue, dark blue, all shades in between. Red, perhaps the most common, white lettering, and also came in orange, the light orange and the dark orange, and I believe all the dark orange ones were, can't really see how dark that is. Maybe if we compare the two together. Most of the dark orange ones were four-wheel cars, as were most of the white B&O. So let's go run some trains. Appreciate you watching.
Oh, that's a fleet. If you go to an independent, it's probably going to be greater than 100 and less than 200.
think I need to put a little smoke in. Let's stop smoking. Let me put some smoke in it.